Question number 4. The shapes of IF4 plus, IF4 minus and IF5 are respectively. Let's draw the shapes here. IF4 minus, IF5. Let's start with the Lewis structures. First we have to calculate the number of electrons. So iodine gives us 7 electrons, fluorine gives us 7 into 4, 28. This means there's 1 electron missing. So this will be 34. Now if we draw the skeleton, iodine has 4 fluorines. So the skeleton has 4 bonds, therefore 8 electrons should be subtracted from here. 8. Therefore it's 26. So we have to put 26 electrons. Now we can put 24 electrons for the fluorines, because each fluorine get 6 electrons to complete their octet. Right, another pair is remaining. That pair should be put to the iodine or the central atom. Now this one, 7 here, fluorine gives us 28. This means there's an extra electron, so we have to add that. Then it's 36. There are 4 fluorines, therefore 8 should be subtracted. 36 minus 8 is 28. So iodine has 4 fluorines attached. Then when we put the lone pairs, each fluorine gets 6 electrons, and those are 24s. Therefore we have to put 2 lone pairs onto the iodine. This one, 7 electrons from here, 7 into 5, 35. So it will be 42. Minus, there are 5 fluorines attached, so 10 electrons should be subtracted. 32 has to be put to the iodine. So iodine has 5 fluorines. Let's put we can put 30 electrons to the fluorines. Each fluorine gets 6 electrons. There are 5 fluorines, so 30 electrons. A lone pair is remaining on the iodine. So that's how we should draw the Lewis structures. And then let's go for the shapes. To get the shapes, we have to calculate the number of VSEPR units. VSEPR units. Here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. This iodine has 6. This iodine has 6. Let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, that means the geometries are, for 5 VSEPR units, the geometry will be trigonal bipyramidal. For 6, it's octahedral. Now let's go to the shapes. In order to get the shapes, we have to put the lone pairs. Trigonal bipyramidal situation gets the lone pair to the plane. The plane means the trigonal bipyramidal plane will be looking like this. This will be the plane here. There are 3 bonds, 3 repelling units, and there's an axis here. This is the plane. This is the axis. In this situation, plane gets the lone pair. Let's put the lone pair here. So the shape will look like this. Iodine, there's a lone pair here in this direction, and the others are fluorines. So the shape will be seesaw. So IF4 plus has a shape of seesaw. Seesaw shape. Now the IF4 minus, its geometry is octahedral. So Let's consider the octahedral situation. It will look like this. This is the plane here. It has 4 repelling units, and there's the axis. Axis has 2 repelling units. Now this is the plane. This is the axis. Now in this situation, the lone pairs are put to the axis. So there are 2 lone pairs. These 2 are lone pairs then. So if we draw this iodine, these 2 are lone pairs, and these 4 are fluorines. So it's a square planar shape. The shape is square planar. Sorry, square planar. Now for the last one, IF5, it's also octahedral. 1 lone pair is there, so it will look like this. Iodine, there's a lone pair on the axis. There are 5 fluorine atoms attached. So this shape is called square pyramidal. Square pyramidal. Alright, now we have the shapes. It's seesaw, square planar, square pyramidal. Seesaw, square planar, square pyramidal. So the answer for the 4th question will be the first one. Let's go to the next question.